Hey everybody, it's Stock Picks by Tim here, and I want to get into Cleanspark. We just got an update on their mining portion of the business. And I'll leave the link below as always if you want to read it yourself. So first off, the February monthly production is 276 Bitcoin. A calendar year to date, meaning January and February, production ending February 28 is going to be 581. And their total Bitcoin holdings as of February 28 is 494. So as for the Bitcoin they sold a total of 253 in February. And they actually sold these at $39,740 per Bitcoin. And we're going to get into Bitcoin in a second here and look at the chart. It is right here about at 42, starting to break 42. So we're going to look at that. But their sales of Bitcoin made them about $10 million. And they're going to be using that on their Norcross, Georgia facility. And their February daily Bitcoin production reached a high of 1015. But as you can see, since their total February production was 276, they were slightly off. Because there's 28 days in February, 280 would have represented 10 per day. So they're only off by 4 Bitcoin out of that whole month. But they are right there around 10 Bitcoin per day. And there was actually a recent picture that showed some new miners that they just received. So the current 2.2 exahash should increase in the coming months. And right now we are hovering right over $10. We did break it just for a second. And we're sitting at a market cap only of 400 million. And looking at CleanSpark here on the chart, I did have this ascending channel here, and once we broke it, we started continuing down, came to 10, tried to test it, couldn't hold, but now we're coming back up. And when you zoom in, we did come down to about 977, and I did actually add a few to my position here. And you'll notice that on the RSI for a short period, we became oversold, and then we had a nice little bounce here. And now the MACD is curling up, the volume is kicking in, we do have a nice support here under $10. And I do think, honestly, under $15 for the long term is a great place to average into, especially with an emphasis under 10. Now, looking at Bitcoin, we reached a recent local high of 44,100, couldn't hold higher than that, started breaking down, and now we came under 42,000 for a very brief period. So we'll see where Bitcoin goes. I think we can very likely test 40,000, and I think it's still a continuous great time to average through Bitcoin. But I am taking advantage of Bitcoin at this current price, and I also am taking advantage of CleanSpark at its current price. But that's basically the video for you, just a quick update on their mining side of things. And check out the links below for some free stocks at Webull, free crypto through Voyager, Coinbase, BlockFi, and Crypto.com. Thanks as always, guys, and see you next time.